Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on it at the device list, or it reconnecting automatically. Now, if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So, right here we have this power button. Now, slide down it to turn off your headphones, and after that, slide up it to turn on it. Here we go. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also turn off your headphones. If you have Android, also click pair new device, and after that turn on it. Now it should enter to pairing mode automatically, and we should see that this LED light is blinking blue, but if it doesn't, just slide up it and hold until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now click on it at the device list, and we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold at the same time volume up button, volume down button and ANC button for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device. And now we should see it at the device list, click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!